Hello everyone and welcome to another Finale tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create this, which is called feathered notation. This basically is another way of notating an accelerando, and you see this quite often in contemporary music written in the 20th and 21st century. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Keep in mind I'm in version 25.5 and that this will not play back at an accelerando the way it looks. This is only for printing it out as it looks for performance. Okay, so what you'll need to do is you'll need to choose the smallest note value of the accelerando, typically maybe a 32nd or a 64th note. So I'm going to do a 32nd note, and you're just going to go ahead and put in your run. We're just going to keep it at that. What you'll need to do next is you'll need to have the special tool palette opened, and you can find that under Window and Special Tools palette right there. Make sure that's checked. And you're going to be looking for the secondary beam angle tool, which looks like this right here. Go ahead and click it. Click the measure, and you'll see these handles. To have an accelerando feather off like such, you'll want to scoot all the beams up here. Do them one at a time, and you can nudge them with the up and down arrow keys. So just kind of eyeball it and then choose this handle and just drag it down a little bit. Of course, you can nudge it as well, and then pull the next one up. Choose the handle and get it to looking about such, and that's pretty much how you do it. To adjust the thickness of the beams, because this looks like a big mess, you can go over here to the Special Tools palette, choose the Beam Width tool, and then you'll find the handles, and then you can adjust the thickness that way. Okay, to get the opposite effect for this to deaccelerate or to slow down essentially. Let's do this. So let's go ahead and put in some more music. Okay. And it's going to be, this is going to actually be easier. Secondary beam angle tool. Select that, and then drag on the right-hand side, just drag them all down. And that's pretty much it. That's how you do that. Pretty simple. It will not play back, though, correctly. It'll play back at a normal tempo, so keep that in mind. Anyway, that's been it for this tutorial. Short and brief. Leave a like if it's helped you out. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more of my content, and I will see you guys in the next video.